So a quick update for y'all. That big old oak tree that used to be there, she gone. Gone, baby, gone. There's my trash can. Remember, it used to be a recycling bin over there somewhere. It's gone. Neighbor fence still gone. You pan out, and used to be. Excuse my hand for a moment. Used to be a big old fucking oak tree. Stood there. Excuse the silence. I took a drag from my cigarette, but that baby's gone. She's fucking gone. And haven't seen the front of my house where all this cause I'm in the backside of where the wind's coming from. Oh shit. And so if that happened with a house breaking the wind, I don't think I even want to see the front of the house. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be really fucking bad. But here's a sky view. Now granted, it's 6:42 at this time. There ain't no sun, there ain't no rainbows, there ain't no fucking smiley faces around here, baby. It's all fucking doom and gloom. Doom and fucking gloom. But still alive. So I mean, if this is all you have, I'll take it until I see the front of the house. I don't even want to know. But we haven't lost any windows as of yet. I haven't checked. As soon as I go in to get another beer, I'll see if any windows have blown out. And if they have, well then that sucks. But as far as I know, windows still intact. This house did not prepare one single bit. No shutters, no nothing, just me and beer and my cat. And it's getting stormy, a little breezy, but ain't nothing this old fucking marine can't handle. So y'all stay safe out there. Later.